Today is Tuesday the 11th of October, and I've had the bird now almost a week. I got it last Thursday off of the beach, so I'm 2 days shy of 1 week, and we can see that he was barely able to move now, but now he's much more aggressive and able to run further. He could only take a few steps before, and now he'll actually run away, which is a very good sign, and his wings are much stronger. Another thing also is that he's more aggressive when you, as you see, he wants to fight also when he can't necessarily run away. Although he's not really afraid of me, but he was afraid of my foot. There he goes, a little earlier. He's overall still very gentle and tame, and I'm trying to get the wild side to come out, but it's much stronger, and I think it's gonna be able to be released soon. Okay, we're at about 1.5 weeks now that I've been taking care of this bird. The feathers are a lot whiter now, and even though it seems to want to sit still a lot, it's actually a lot more mobile, so I'm going to show you. So we want you to move along now. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. He wants to eat the little fish there, which is a good sign. There we go. See, he can run the whole length of the yard now. Actually, I've had him run from the side gate over there all the way around. There he goes. He wants that little fish though. You can see he can almost get airborne now. This bird is fascinated by what's going on inside here. Today is its last day, hopefully, here though. I'm taking it down to the wildlife rescue place later this afternoon. So I'm happy to just let it sit there and enjoy the patio.